Cream, you try Old Country kettle corn. They're here tonight, and that stuff is delicious. Located right behind the grandstand. Here's Girl Power, Tara Moore, with More Agitation, last year's champion tractor. Now, with a Mod Turbo / Limited Pro, a little bit under the max size in this class, but having a great time with a good running one called Up in Smoke. How about a nice day for him? That was picture perfect, carrying that front end down the track and looking so good. Stopping at 285.13 feet at 29.3 miles per hour. 285. They said he didn't name it yet. I think they put kryptonite on it up at Mont Alto because the girls may have thought that's what he was going to call it. So we'll just call it the no-name Superstock 8270R. Okay, I was hoping from the very beginning that he'd get out of that and back up and try it again. He's coasting out to 113.73, so I'm pretty sure, will have that option. The officials are going out there and talk to him and see if you want to back up and see how it goes this time for Darren Olden. It's acting up on him, but he's got about 3.5 more minutes to see if she'll rev. Oh, darn, they want a tow tractor. Wow. How about a hand for Darren Olden, fans? 288.94 that time. He's working hard to get it there. And it's not for the faint of heart to get in the seat of that thing. You could cook a steak on the manifolds in there, and they're worried about that a little bit. Get that thing cooled down. 288.94 puts it in the number 2 spot. Being optimistic. with one over 4,000 horsepower, folks. One more deer.